Hello friends, today we will see 10 strange buildings in the world whose design will blow your senses. There are many strange buildings in the country and abroad, which is not less than a wonder. Seeing its structure, you may be tempted to look at it closely, and there are many such strange buildings in the country and abroad which are not less than a wonder. Seeing its texture, you may be tempted to look at it closely, if it can be so tempting to see it in their photos. Then you can only imagine how much pleasure can be gained by seeing these buildings nearby. I am eager to know about them and also to inform you about it. Let's see these strange buildings. 1. Capital Gate, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Saudi Arabia has many tall buildings, but in June 2010 the Capital Gate has been given the status of the tallest man-made building in the world. Its name is recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's longest leaning man-made tower. The height of this 35-story building is 160 meters (520 feet). These buildings are quite interesting. 2. Sunrise Kempinski Hotel, Beijing, China. Hotel buildings play fine buildings, e.g. the hotel business made a grand start in 2015. China is becoming an emerging country in the hotel chain in the east-central part. 60 kilometers from Beijing, the hotel remains a center of attraction close to the lake. The snail shape of the hotel is considered a symbol of good luck. The exterior of the hotel is decorated with 10,000 glasses, which is spread over 18,075 square kilometers. Its upper part gives a feeling of sky color, while looking from the middle part makes the reflection of Yanshan Mountain in the lake. As if these man-made buildings have a charisma. 3. The Marina Bay Sands Hotel, Singapore is the world's best known, and the highest part of Singapore is the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. It looks like a giant ship. The special feature of this hotel is that this 57-story building has metro facilities from the famous Kudata Club, shopping mall, food court, casino and ground floor. It was built by Moshe Vaidi, an Israeli-Canadian architect. Despite having many big buildings, this building has retained its own image. 4. Cumulus Nordborg, Denmark. Is it a meteorite, a cell, a molecule? It has many possibilities. In fact, the intent of the project itself is according to the design of Berlin-based architect Jürgen Meyerich. The Cumulus building is an exhibition hall in a science and technology museum near the South Denmark headquarters of its Danish thermal engineering group of the Danfoss Universe. Is extra. Other than this is a similar foreign cafeteria. In 2007, this building was chosen among 7 wonders of the world. 5. Akshardham, Delhi, India. There are many buildings in India that are unique in themselves. The Akshardham temple, located in New Delhi, counted among the world's most stunning worship houses, reflects a mix of technological modernization with traditional architectural style. The massive sandstone marble temple was built without any steel, covering an area of over 8,000 square meters on the banks of the Yamuna River. Opened in 2005, this is the second monument inspired and developed by Swami Maharaj, the spiritual head of the Sri Akshapurushottam Swaminathan Institute of Bokaswani, whose 3,000 volunteers and 7,000 artisans built Akshardham. 6. City of Arts and Sciences, Valencia, Spain. City of Arts and Sciences, Valencia remains an entertainment center and modern tourist destination in Spain. It is located on the banks of East River Turia, which dried up after a devastating flood in 1957. Designed in July 1996 by the Valencian architect Santiago Calatrava, it is a splendid example of modern architecture. 7. Chapel of the Holy Cross, Arizona, USA. Magnificently among the red stone pillars in Sedona, the Chapel of the Holy Cross is a Catholic chapel built in 1956. The chapel was about 250 feet high and 1,000 feet of red rock wall protruded. Its construction was a miracle in itself. 8. Infinity Tower, Dubai. UAE Infinity Tower is the tallest building in the world, which is one of the curved unique buildings and almost complete skyscrapers. 305 meters 1,000 feet above the ground. This tower rests in the shape of a magnificent 90. This 80-story tower is made habitable, and its beauty increases because it is close to the sea. Surprisingly, there is no structural column anywhere inside the building. 9. Sydney Opera House, Sydney, Australia. One of the oldest buildings on our modern list, which inaugurated in 1973. The Opera House, Sydney, Australia is one of the most architecturally recognizable. This beautiful building has been praised internationally as an architectural icon. It is the focal point of Sydney Harbour and a reflection of its character. Nagoya Science Museum and Planetarium, Aichi, Japan. Japan has many large buildings, but the Nagoya City Science Museum is located in Sakai, Nagoya, in the center of Nagoya, Central Japan. The building was built as a giant tube ball placed between rectangular holders and is home to the world's largest planetarium, equipped with a 35-meter projection dome. In 2012, the museum's lot was renovated to match with the opening of the planetarium. The upper floor of the building currently houses a museum display of space and future technologies. So friends, how do you like these interesting facts? Tell us in the comment box. Share this video with your friends to give your support. Subscribe, like it, and be sure to press the bell icon.